Alright guys, I ran out of windshield wiper fluid. I just went to Walmart and picked up this Rain-X windshield washer fluid, also with bug remover, okay? Alright guys, so we're going to be changing the windshield wiper fluid on my 2022 Honda HRV. Alright, so the hood is open and all you got to do is go to the left side right here and you guys can see this spot right here. That is the windshield wiper fluid slot. It's usually blue, okay, and it is right there on the left side of the vehicle. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and open up this fluid right here, the Rain-X bug remover windshield wiper fluid. That's it guys, just pour it in and we should be good. Very easy to do it by yourself, okay? Not that hard. All right, it looks like it's pretty good. And we still got some left. And all you gotta do is just close it up and that's it. All right guys, so that's pretty straightforward. Just open up the cap and then just pour it in and that's it until you see it reach the top. And now we're just gonna try it real quick, okay? Because earlier I didn't have any fluid, so I didn't, there was no fluid coming out. So now let's try it. There you go. It's coming out. And this one is the bug removal as well. Wow. So now you can see the windshield is really clear. Really clear. Let's do it one more time, just one more test. All right guys, that's it. Hopefully this video helped you guys on how to add windshield wiper fluid to your Honda HRV, and it's actually very similar to other cars as well, okay? If you guys have any questions or comment, leave them down below. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button, okay? And tap on the notification bell so whenever I upload any new videos, you'll be the first to be notified. All right guys, thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.